Number 1. The tallest mountain known in the solar system is on Mars. Olympus Mons is a 21 kilometers high and 600 kilometers diameter shield volcano that was formed billions of years ago. Scientists have found a lot of recent evidence of volcanic lava which suggests Olympus Mons may still be active. It is the second highest mountain in the entire solar system, topped only by the Vesuvius Central Peak on the asteroid Vesta, which is 22 kilometers high. Number 2. Observations of the red planet indicate that rivers and oceans may have been prominent features in its early history. Billions of years ago, Mars was a warm and wet world that could have supported microbial life in some regions. But the planet is smaller than Earth, with less gravity and a thinner atmosphere. Over time, as liquid water evaporated, more and more of it escaped into space, allowing less to fall back to the surface of the planet. Number 3. Similarly to Earth, Mars has 4 distinct seasons. However, each season lasts about twice as long because the Martian year is almost twice that of Earth. Mars orbits closest to the Sun when its southern hemisphere is tilted towards it, while the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun when it is furthest away. The southern summer is therefore much hotter than the northern summer. This extra heat pouring into the southern hemisphere causes greater turbulence and drives stronger winds, stirring up the largest storms. Number 4. Pieces of Mars have fallen to Earth. Scientists have found tiny traces of Martian atmosphere within meteorites violently ejected from Mars, then orbiting the solar system amongst galactic debris for millions of years, before crash landing on Earth. This allowed scientists to begin studying Mars prior to launching space missions. Number 5. On August 7, 1996, reporters, photographers and television camera operators surged into NASA headquarters in Washington, D.C. The crowd focused not on the row of seated scientists in NASA's auditorium but on a small, clear plastic box on the table in front of them. Inside the box was a velvet pillow, and nestled on it like a crown jewel was a rock from Mars. The scientists announced that they'd found signs of life inside the meteorite. NASA researchers are taking lessons from the debate about life on Earth to Mars. If all goes as planned, a new generation of rovers will arrive on Mars within the next decade. These missions will incorporate cutting-edge biotechnology designed to detect individual molecules made by Martian organisms, either living or long dead. +1. Mars, the red planet, is particularly visible in the night sky every 2 years when it reaches the closest distance to Earth in its orbit. To best observe the planet, track its orbit and try to view it during peak times and ideal weather conditions. While you can observe the planet's color and brightness with the naked eye, a telescope is necessary to see all of its finer features.